There were mornings full of sunshine, there were nights I couldn't see. There were roads that felt wide open, and some that brought me to my knees. But every mile and heartache, every blessing passing through, somehow led me right here, standing looking back at you. I'm thankful for every season, every mountain, every low, for the flowers and the storms, and the lessons they have sown, for the laughter and the tears, for the answers and the wait. Every chapter tells a story, and every story leads to you. Oh, I'm thankful. There were summers full of freedom, windows down on country roads. There were winters teaching patience when I carried heavy loads. There were people who stayed beside me, there were some who said goodbye, but each one